What's up, world? We are back. It has been a long time coming. I am in the garage. Um, got a lot of little things going on everywhere. Like, yeah, that's the Merc. I got just all this crap sitting on top of the Merc. But that's not what we're here. We're here for this box right here. First things first. How do we get here? About a week ago, I posted on the Facebook page, the F150 Facebook page, about having the XLT series of lights and how I was getting the failed LED strip. So, yes, I do not have the blade of Wakanda right now. This is just some dead sawzall blade that I'm using to open this box. And handle with care, fragile, but yeah. So I posted about the failing LED, and right away, you guys, the page members at least, started commenting, "Hey, it's happening to me too. It's happening to me too. It's happening to everybody." It looks like, if you don't heavily idle, you'll probably be running into the dead LEDs. By basically the daytime running lights, right? So the daytime running light that's failing. You'll start running into that right at maybe 40,000, 45,000 miles, right? Past the 30,000 mile point, and only a few guys have had this replacement warranty because they hit that before 3 years. So, thanks to you guys, I was contacted by Inginuity Time, and they sent out these headlights. I've already looked at them, I've already seen them. This is me unboxing them for the first time, as you guys just saw. Well packaged, lots of space in the box, lots of voids, independently wrapped. You can see harnesses down there, instructions actually in the box. That's already a rare occasion. So, they got styrofoam mitt for this, and it's perfectly packaged. And I mean, just looking at how clean these look at first glance, right? And what I'm looking at is what my Headlight guys told me to look at. The guys that rebuild these things and customize them. But you got your lens protected automatically. You have your actual assembly with clips and straps. This is all hard plastic. You do not see overrun of glue or any kind of bonding agent. But it has been properly sealed. These guys do actually run quality control. That's a big deal, right? Quality control. This is literally 2 months ago. Quality control passed. Which means they check for the vacuum, they check the seal on the lights, they check the function of the lights. Yeah, man, this is looking really, really good. Of course, obviously, I know you guys are asking, hey, what are these loose wires for? Again, these are aftermarket. But these guys have a lot of extra features built in, right? So this will let you do a little bit of stuff I'm going to show you guys later, but it gives you a little bit of flexibility. That's what that extra harness is for. It gives you a little flexibility of how you want to run your lights. So this is just an unboxing video. So I'm not going to go into detail. I just want to show you guys out the box. Oh, those are solid. These are solid. I've had some back in the day when I had an Ultima, a very old Ultima, I definitely had some aftermarket headlights. These are heavy. I have a real good tool on my break that corner and hold it like this. But yes, man, look at that. Hold up, I gotta pull these out. Because these need fire. All right, so let me pick this up. Oh yeah, this is gonna be awesome. This is gonna be awesome. Dude. Oh, these look sick. Look at that. First glance. Projector style. LED. Clear sides, dog. That's clean. They not like us. We about to be clean. We are about to be clean. Yes. Again, you have your harnesses. Again, I'm gonna tell you guys about that soon. These are supposed to be made for XLT, so should have made up. I haven't even confirmed it yet, but man, See, they even tell you things like that because they don't want you messing this thing up. Boy, oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Like I said, I am ecstatic. So, anyways, like I said, this is an unboxing video. The reason why I like to even make unboxing videos is to show that, right? Properly packaged, sealed, protective film. They're not going to scratch against each other. Because I ain't going to lie, man. These UPS drivers get paid a lot of money, and we all know that. But they don't give a lot of damn at all. Sometimes they just be throwing your boxes, dropping them, dumping them. So unboxing videos have their value in the world because they show that, hey, we did our due diligence, even if they don't do theirs. Another thing is, like I said, I like to look for those stamps, those seals, QA, QC, quality control, quality assurance, right? To make sure these things are actually getting done. The little things, right? The DOT stamping, that's on the aftermarket side is not that crucial, but when they do that, it really shows that, hey, these guys are using the same original lens manufacturers as the F150, the OEM manufacturers. They're using all that. They're using really good seals when they seal their headlights. They're putting the quality and the money into the product, and they're just saving it on the back end of the process. So, I mean, I have great confidence, and I cannot wait to get these installed to show you guys. But for our unboxing video, that's pretty much going to sum it up. Like I said, bow. These things look fire. Well packaged, well received. Cannot wait to get these on this weekend.